We left Victoria for a trip to Hawaii on a late Tuesday evening. We were in good spirits. Unfortunately, we picked a bad weather window. Here is some footage to show you just how bad it was. Okay, so we don't have footage, but you can take our word for it. We did battle high seas for 48 hours, in rain and contrary winds. All our days since we left were gray and wet. We made the decision to turn back. We made some mistakes and figured it was the right thing to do. Our little adventure in the ocean inspired us to tell our story in the form of podcasts. When we returned to Victoria, we bought a good quality recorder. We'd like to start recording sounds around us and to gather sailing stories from friends. We're disappointed that we couldn't leave for Hawaii, but we try and make the best out of all situations and decided to go back to Vancouver. We needed some time to wind down, to think about what happened. What better place to wind down than in False Creek? We've been working on our next game, Markle. We started it a few years ago. We always liked the idea and decided to try and finish it. Markle is a turn-based puzzle platformer. It will be the second game we make together. We had other projects in line, but Markle is the one that just clicked. We don't know what we're going to be doing next. We have a lot of conversations about where we are and what we want to do, what our goals are, and are the decisions we're making going towards achieving this goal. We have a lot to figure out still. As always, thank you for keeping us afloat. Literally.
И всех тех демонов, что кинутся плясать за нами, мы в этом чистом поле встретим светом доблестным. Боюсь не подобрать слов к тому, что не описать словами, а остальное как-то до весны. Крутим, вертим жернова. Ты от души лоба, лечи косого жирного. В себе души раба найдут насквозь прошитого. В районе живота в конце лета паршивого. Ты от души лоба и крутим, вертим жернова. Ты от души лоба, лечи косого жирного. В себе души раба найдут насквозь прошитого. В районе живота в конце лета паршивого. Ты от души лобай. Ты от души лобай. Ты от души лобай. Ты от души лобай. Ты от души. Давай, давай, давай. Ты от души лобай. Ты от души лобай. Ты от души. Давай, давай, отдай себя полностью демонам, что рвут твои полости медленно. Ты сам суррогат цвета белого, когда твоя реальность подделана. Опустись на дно себя водником, с этим первобытным трепетом. И оттуда при старом неводном мы вытянем пристранную невидаль.
My favorite is the whale.